Computer science or information technology? Which path is right for you? These two fields are often confused, but they lead to very different careers. In this video, we'll clear up the differences so you can choose the right direction. In this video from National University, we're unpacking the differences between computer science versus information technology. Whether you're exploring a degree program or switching careers, this breakdown will help you understand how these two tech fields compare in skills, focus, and job opportunities. Computer science versus information technology. What's the core difference? Computer science is the science behind how computers work. It focuses on theory, programming, software design, and problem solving. If you're interested in coding, algorithms, AI, and building systems from scratch, this is your field. Information technology, IT, is about using those systems to solve real-world business problems. IT professionals install, manage, and support the tech tools businesses rely on. Networks, servers, databases, and more. You'll focus more on application than theory. Now let's talk about what each role involves. Computer scientists build programs, analyze data, and develop new computing technologies. They work in areas like software development, cybersecurity, machine learning, and game design. IT professionals manage hardware, networks, and systems. They're often the go-to people for tech support, system administration, or cloud infrastructure. If you're more into abstract problem solving and development, computer science is your path. If you're a systems thinker who enjoys hands-on technical work and helping users, IT may be the better fit. In computer and information sciences, your toolkit looks a little different depending on your focus. For computer science, you will need to build your skill set in programming languages such as Python, Java, C++, algorithms, databases, software engineering, AI, and cybersecurity. However, for information technology, your focus will be on understanding networking, such as TCP/IP or DNS, system administration, Windows or Linux, cloud platforms, AWS or Azure, IT support, and virtualization tools. Both fields benefit from project management skills, project solving, and attention to detail. Both computer science and IT lead to rewarding and in-demand careers, but the roles and responsibilities can look very different. Here's how the careers compare, so you can see which path aligns best with your interests and goals. Career paths in computer science include software developers. They design and build applications and systems that power everything from mobile apps to enterprise software. They work with coding languages, development frameworks, and user feedback to continuously improve functionality and user experience. Data scientists. Data scientists analyze complex data to uncover insights that drive decision-making. They use tools like statistical modeling and machine learning to interpret trends and predict future outcomes across industries. Cybersecurity analysts. They work to protect networks, systems, and data from digital threats. They monitor systems, investigate incidents, and implement defensive measures to ensure information security and business continuity. Machine learning engineers develop algorithms and systems that enable computers to learn from data. They work on applications such as recommendation engines, language translation, and predictive analytics. Let's not forget about game developers who create interactive digital experiences for consoles, mobile devices, and PCs. This role combines technical skills with creativity, covering gameplay programming, visual design, and user interaction. Now, here are some career pathways in information technology. Network administrators. They manage and maintain computer networks within organizations. They ensure connectivity, monitor performance, and troubleshoot network issues to keep systems running efficiently. IT support specialists provide technical assistance to users, helping resolve hardware, software, and connectivity issues. They often serve as the first point of contact for IT-related support in businesses. Next, cloud solution architects design and manage cloud-based infrastructure. helping organizations migrate to and operate in the cloud securely and efficiently. They focus on scalability, performance, and cost effectiveness. Systems administrators. They are responsible for installing, configuring, and maintaining servers and IT systems. They manage user access, security settings, and system updates to ensure reliability and security. Information security analysts. They help protect organizational data by implementing security protocols, monitoring for breaches, and responding to threats. They play a crucial role in maintaining compliance and preventing cyber attacks. Both fields are growing, but if you want to focus on innovation and coding, CS might be your match. If you want to manage systems and help businesses function securely, IT could be a great choice. There's also a middle ground, Computer Information Systems, CIS. This discipline blends business and technology, preparing you to design systems that meet organizational needs. CIS professionals often work in project management, system analysis, or enterprise IT. If you're drawn to both problem solving and supporting users, CIS might be the perfect balance between CS and IT. Still deciding between computer science versus information technology? National University offers flexible, accredited degree programs in both. Whether you're ready to code the future or manage the systems that power it, we've got you covered. Click the link in the description to explore our programs and subscribe for more career insights. Thanks for watching.